Really reveal us about him?
He was totally a dedicated man and very sincere and honest, very hardworking. And as in those days we didn't have this technology of different kind of cameras and trolleys and crab trolleys, so on and so forth. Even in that trolley shot, in those days, I remember there was no zoom lens. So in that the trolley movement used to be so smooth, like it's really the zoom is coming closer to the artist. So many things like crane shots, and he had one very favorite between him and Gurudetji. There was one trolley man who used to push the trolley. His name was Aziz. I remember he saying, Aziz available nahi hai, to shooting nahi hogi, because he was so good. So they created so much magic in their work with minimum facilities, you see. And when I think of Kagaz Ke Phool, I feel the first thing it comes into my mind, the hero of the movie is Murthy Saab. Of course, the director was there, everybody was there, the music and everything. But it hits you, you see. And the magic he created in black and white is something amazing.
Ma'am, among his entire body of work, if you could recommend, say, the top 3 or the top 5 movies to the younger generation, to know what V.K. Murthy Saab was all about, which films would you choose?
I will say Kagaz Ke Phool, Sahab Bibi Aur Ghulam, and Pyasa.
And why, ma'am?
Because in Kagaz Ke Phool, the story had such a deep emotions and pathos that he created on the screen with his black and white photography. And in Sahab Bibi Aur Ghulam, those days, 100 years ago, those Havelis and palaces kind of thing. And there is one song where the zamindars are watching a dance sequence, and there is, in the olden days they used to have those big fans, the pulling it, for the that kind of a thing. And in that light and shade, the way he photographed that was really beautiful, very beautiful. And Pyasa, of course, was very nice. And I must say, I forgot to say this on the stage, that I owe quite a lot of success to Murthy Saab, because in the beginning a new artist, especially a girl, has to look pretty. And he made me look pretty.
Also, that was exactly what I was going to say. आपको हमेशा सबसे खूबसूरत actress होने का खिताब दिया गया था. You won, this title. Since everybody said that you are the most elegant and beautiful actress that we still have today. A lot of it also because, at that time, cinematographers did not insist on actresses putting on a lot of makeup or something like that. They wanted to keep them natural.
Yeah.
So did that also help? How did